This video will try to explain how the discussions this next semester will take place. So, the week before the discussion takes place on Thursday, you will be allowed to read the discussion instructions. Therefore, from Thursday to Sunday, you should prepare for your initial post. On Monday, you should make your initial post by midnight. Tuesday and Wednesday, you are required to respond to each of your group members' posts. In this first assignment, or this first discussion, you are in a group with 5 or 6 people. You should respond, you should ask a question, or you should make a comment or offer a counter idea to each of their initial posts. Thursday and Friday, you will then respond to each of the questions and comments that were made about your initial posts. We hope that this will encourage you to have a useful discussion and get to some interesting ideas. It is also important that you understand how you're going to be graded. So, this is discussion 1. You can see here there's always a first paragraph that tells you exactly what you need to do for the first discussion. Then there's some more information about discussion length than exactly what I just talked to you about, which is what is required each day of the week. During this first discussion, there are 5 topics. You will each be assigned a topic. It's also important that you understand the rubric. So this is the rubric that will be used for each discussion. You will be graded on 3 things. You will be graded on your initial post. You will be graded on your response to your group members' posts, and you will be graded on your final responses to those questions and counter ideas. You should also understand that we have tried to be very clear about what constitutes an A, B, C, D, and F. So for instance, in this first one, your initial posting is well thought out and your writing is clearly demonstrating critical thinking. You cite your source from the magazine as well as the course material. So that is very important. A B is that your initial post shows some development and some critical thinking is evident in your writing. Here you also cite the magazine and the course material. On C, the difference is that you cite the magazine source but not the course material that you're required to read. And you can sort of see how these go on. We highly encourage you to read the rubrics and to understand the rubrics before taking on the assignment or the discussion, because it clearly lays out our expectations. If you have any questions about how discussions will be led, please let us know. We will be happy to answer any of your questions.